So is this whole AI thing a giant bubble, or is it a real opportunity? Let's get into it.
You know Michael Burry, the guy who called the 2008 crash? Well, he's now raising red flags on AI.
Okay, get this. Just 5 big tech companies plan to spend this much by 2026. Just 5 of them. And OpenAI, they're talking about spending this much on infrastructure. It's a truly wild number.
This is the estimated revenue gap. It's how much new money they need just to justify all that spending.
So with numbers this big, you have to ask, is this all just hype? Is it about to pop?
But here's the thing. We've kind of seen this movie before. History gives us a really clear playbook.
Think about the railway mania back in the 1840s. Massive investment, a big crash, then digestion.
And remember the dot-com bubble? Same exact story. A ton of fiber optic cable was laid, then crash.
Today's AI boom is following that same script, but it's happening way faster and on a much bigger scale.
It's basically a giant prisoner's dilemma. Big tech is spending like crazy because they're scared of falling behind.
Just look at this growth. The spending is absolutely exploding past any normal business cycle.
And here's the heart of the problem, a huge gap between money going out and money actually coming in.
And it's not just about money. We're hitting real-world walls, like simply not having enough power.
So if a crash does come, does that mean AI fails? Nope. And this right here is the key point.
See, the bubble isn't the AI itself, it's the infrastructure. The actual utility of AI, that survives.
So after a crash, the raw materials for AIs suddenly get way cheaper, and that's the opportunity.
Sequoia Capital put it perfectly. Big tech is basically subsidizing the entire AI ecosystem for everyone else. This is where the smart money goes. Not to the shovels, but to what you actually build with them. The real value isn't owning the hardware. It's moving up the stack and actually solving real problems with it. The real gold mine? Using all this cheap intelligence to solve very specific, very real-world problems.
The lesson from history is so clear. You didn't want to build the railway. You wanted to run stuff on it. The last bubble gave us the internet. This one gives us cheap intelligence. The only question is, what will you build?